So for chicken rezala we need chicken. This is 500 grams of chicken. Along with this chicken we need a paste which I am going to make with 2 medium size onions, which I am going to chop it roughly. Then I have taken here 1 inch of ginger and around 10 cloves of garlic. Along with that, few green chilies, and then I'm going to cut these onions into small pieces, and then I'm going to make a paste of all this. This should be a smooth paste like this. And now we are going to marinate the chicken with this paste for around 2 hours. Mix it up well with the chicken pieces and then marinate it for 2 hours. One more paste which we are going to need is this cashew paste. These are the cashew nuts which I have soaked for 30 minutes, and this is the poppy seed. Poppy seeds also I have soaked it for 30 minutes. So we are going to make a smooth paste of this cashew nuts and poppy seeds. Cashew nuts around 1 teaspoon and poppy seeds also around 1 teaspoon I have taken. Along with this, other spices are the peppercorns, then the cloves, 5 to 6 cloves, then the red chilies, dry red chilies. I have taken around 4 of them. Then the cinnamon and the cardamom. Along with that, the bay leaf. And this I have taken around 1.5 teaspoon of peppercorns. These are the peppercorns which I am going to grind it into a powder. So let us make all these ingredients ready. Then we can start our dish. Mixing the chicken with onion, ginger, garlic and chili paste. Now we are going to add 100 grams of curd. We are going to mix it well. Along with that, I am going to add this pepper powder. Around 1 teaspoon I am adding now, and the rest I am going to add when we are going to cook it. Then salt to taste. Now again mix it well and then marinate it. If you have already marinated with the onion paste for 2 hours, then you can marinate it for 1 more hour. Here I am taking 2 teaspoons of oil and also 2 teaspoons of ghee. If you want, you can add more ghee to this recipe, because this is a Mughlai recipe and you can make this full recipe with ghee alone. So when the oil gets heated, let us add the spices. And finally the red chili. Now as the spices are popping up, I am adding the chicken pieces, marinated chicken. For the whole dish, we are going to stir it occasionally, and this chicken is going to be cooked in a low flame. So let it cook in the low flame, and we are going to stir it occasionally. Here I am stirring the chicken occasionally, and no need to add any water to this dish, because we have the onion paste, the curd, these all are going to make the gravy. So no need to add any water. We have to cook it in a low flame. Now I am going to add the cashew and the poppy seeds paste. Now after adding this, again we are going to stir it. Without adding any water, we are going to stir it and cook the chicken. We can also put the lid to make the chicken soft. This dish goes well with parathas, lacha parathas, naans, rotis, and it is a Mughlai item. So I am going to add 1 teaspoon of keora water and 1 teaspoon of rose water at the end. Now let us leave the chicken to cook in a low flame. Now I am adding the salt to taste and the rest of the pepper powder. Here the chicken is almost done. So now I am adding 1 teaspoon of rose water and 1 teaspoon of keora water. These two are special items for any Mughlai dish because it gives the smell of the Mughlai item. This is a very simple and easy recipe, and do try it once at home and enjoy it with parathas and rotis. So if you like my presentation, do give a like and also comment in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and for the latest updates, and thank you for watching. Keep cooking.